Hey everyone, today is Wednesday, March 29th. Since it's almost the end of the quarter, I'm reviewing my crypto portfolio and it very closely mirrors Bitcoin's performance. And just wanted to share Bitcoin blew out of the water any other asset class year to date for this quarter. 70% return, and S&P 500 is at 5% and gold is at 7%. And I found this cool chart that allows you to compare asset class performances. And since my digital money focuses on mid to long term returns, I thought we'd look over the long run, right? So 3 year time frame, you can see that Bitcoin way outperforms the other asset classes at 300% plus return. The next one after that is the S&P 500 at 51% return, and then gold is at around 20%, and that is maintained over 5 years. And the outperformance of Bitcoin is really pronounced over 10 years because Bitcoin was very early on at that point. So we have this ridiculous return of 25,000%. You're not going to see that, obviously, for these more established asset classes. But yes, disclaimer, Bitcoin is volatile. I think we all know that. And so if you look over a shorter period of time, yes, you would have lost compared to the other asset classes over the last 2 years and then over the last year as well. And in my opinion, that had a lot to do with COVID and how a lot of money was injected into the economy. People didn't know what to do with it, so they put it into crypto, and then money was taken away at a rapid rate. So people had to liquidate. And of course, it's a simplified view, and there's a lot more to it, and a lot of macroeconomic factors besides that. Um, but I just wanted to share, that over the long run, historically, Bitcoin way outperforms. So if you're really looking for a bigger upside and you have some appetite for risk, I would urge you to take a look at Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. And I'm not giving advice, as always. And this year, the outperformance so far is very good. And a lot of it has to do with the banking crisis. People were really reminded why Bitcoin exists in the first place, right? To avoid this exact situation with mismanagement of banks and the Fed. And Bitcoin is really, in my opinion, a good asset, not only to protect yourself, but to really look at higher returns. And gold and silver is also very good, but it's more to preserve the value. So yeah, I just wanted to share this cool chart. You can go on this website and play around with this. All right, catch you guys later.